Marty again for Marty Moments of Motorcycles. Man, do I got a treat for you. We're going to go back or forwards or a blast in the past with this little Goldwing. With the first... Hey, it's Marty again for Marty Moments of Motorcycles. Man, do I got a treat for you. We're going to go back or forwards or a blast in the past with this little Goldwing. With the first Instagram I did was picking up a Goldwing from the ground. We're going to do the same thing today, but add a few things and information on this particular model. You guys don't know that, man, the Goldwing in the history of its production has been #1 in the luxury line. No one has ever done better. I mean, nobody. You can bet your bottom dollar this bike will take you to New York and back, over the Rockies, to Mexico, to Canada. Anywhere you want to go on a motorcycle, touring your stuff, this is the bike to buy. So anyway, we're going to get to it in a few moments, but man, be ready. This is a rocket motorcycle. This is of leaning over and picking it up and showing everywhere that has a Goldwing or a big bike that it's leverage, not strength. You see, I have nothing here. I'm nothing. You see that? We'll get a good film on that one. Nothing, okay? But I want to show you that anyone can do this if you have the nerve. So here you go. This is the Goldwing. It's about 890 pounds. Not bad. What you're going to do is see down here the kickstand. You lift it up. You got your hands on the steering column and the back brace here, and just lay it down step by step, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, and then come up, come back, just like that. Now, if you see a bike laying down out in the street, you want to help someone, you don't want to try picking it up with your back. You'll never be able to do it. Get on the seat, put your brace on the seat, and just walk it up. Now, this is the DCT model. It doesn't mean much except it's a little heavier, but it's a bike that, wow, this Goldwing has been so well designed all its years. No wonder it's always been constantly the #1 luxury bike in the world. You have all the same features, the big windshield, the big trunk in the back. Even with there's stuff filling inside, you can still pick that up. And like I say, I'm not very strong anymore. And doing something like this just shows everyone else that Goldwing, Honda has done a great job on their technology. This is Marty Moments again. Thank you for watching our feed, and text me with a like if you liked it, and thank you again.